Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Today's video, six-sided polygon to create something like this. And if you don't know where your polygon tool is, it's right here. And click on six sides and hold down the control button so it's perfect. I'm going to go ahead and hit P, which really doesn't matter in this case. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour 5 times. You need an odd amount at 0.75. And now I'm going to go to Object and break the contour apart. I'm going to make a duplicate of that outside contour. I'm going to grab it right there with that 4-point cross, and I'm going to put it right there. Now I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to fill in every other line. Now, set my nudge factor on about 12 inches, and I'm going to nudge that out of the way because I don't want these lines. So I'm going to hit delete. I'm going to go ahead and nudge them back, and I'm going to group them together with Control G. That makes them all grouped together. I'm going to select it and get my interactive fill tool, and I'm going to go from about there to there, and then I'm going to start adding colors. I'm going to add a red, make it a little more red. I'm going to put red there, and maybe even add a blue back so it's more blue to red. Any color, anything you want. Control D and make a duplicate and double click on it and move your rotation to that node right there and rotate it 60 degrees. And then Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. That's all there's to it. Pretty cool design. Wonder what it's going to look like with a black background. I always do that. It kind of makes everything kind of stand out. Go to Object, Order, Backup Page. Look at that. It completely changes the look of your pattern. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.